Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we're making a super cool and refreshing Dole Pineapple Whip.
Grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Welcome back to the show, everybody. Today we have a nice, cold, refreshing treat for you because these days are so extremely hot. I'm not going to have you turn on that oven or the stove. We're just going to make something really nice and cold. So we're making a plant-based, sugar-free version of the Dole Whip. So most people probably know the Dole Whip from Disney. I've never been to Disney before. Jeff and I, or our family, has had this at the actual Dole farm, pineapple farm in Hawaii. And it's absolutely delicious. You're gonna love this, but it's not gonna be super sickeningly sweet. This is a little bit more just of the pineapple flavor and all of that goodness. So that's 1.5 cups of frozen pineapple, and this is enough for 2 people, or maybe one big appetite. And I have 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1/2 cup of unsweetened soy milk, but you can use whatever plant milk you like. I would always just stress that you go with an unsweetened plant milk. And then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that is it, guys. If you want the printable version, there will be a link in the details below. Now we just need to whip this up, blend it until it's really nice and frothy. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of free printable recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook series, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting membership community. Our supporting members gain access to great member perks like our monthly product giveaways, ebooks, and in-depth courses, including our 28 Days Plant-Based Made Easy course, where we offer a step-by-step guide to making the switch to a fully plant-based diet. So if you love our recipes, I invite you to join us on our mission to make plant-based cooking easy, and follow the link in the description to become a supporting member today. Okay, let's get back to the show. Super easy, super quick. All right, oh my gosh. Come on and take a look at this creamy goodness. Oh wow, I can smell it from here. So good. But this you need to eat right away. You can't really put it in the freezer. It just turns into a solid mass. So, I mean, I guess you could freeze it and then defrost it, but it's better just to eat it immediately, which is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna grab a little bowl and a spoon, and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. All right, guys, are you ready for this? I am so ready for this. Okay. Oh gosh, this is so... I've already had this several times, and it is so good. Oh. I love pineapple so much. You would never guess this is so creamy. And it's sweet, but not overly sweet. Wow. You are gonna love this. Taking a break from my nice cream, now I'm gonna be eating Dole Whip. So be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another great recipe.